Review of the Week 3 tech books that you must own now: ChatGPT, Python for Kids, and DevOps. Welcome to another exciting episode of Book Reviews. In this video, we will be diving into the world of technology with a special focus on 3 must-read books that you need to add to your collection today. We will be covering everything from Python for Kids to DevOps. And of course, we'll have the expert insights of ChatGPT to guide us along the way. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn as we review the week's top tech books that you simply cannot afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get all tech books news. And now, let's start with the first book, which is called Coding for Kids: Learning to Code with Python. With only $19.95 for paperback and $4.95 for KDP readers. So let's see, what is this book talking about? The book is designed to teach children the basics of Python programming language in a fun and interactive way. It covers a wide range of topics such as variables, data types, loops, functions, object-oriented programming, and much more. The book also includes final projects for kids to work on, which will help them apply what they have learned and create their own programs. So, the chapter highlights. The book is divided into several chapters that covers different topics related to Python programming. Let's see what the chapters include. Chapter 1, Introduction to Coding and Python. Chapter 2, What is Coding? Chapter 3, Why Learn to Code? Chapter 4, What is Python? Chapter 5, Setting up the Python environment. Chapter 6, Basic Concepts in Python. Chapter 7, Variables and Data Types. Chapter 8, Operators and Expressions. Chapter 9, Input and Output. Chapter 10, Conditional Statements. Chapter 11, Loops. Chapter 12, Functions and Models. Chapter 13, Data Structures. Chapter 14, Object-Oriented Programming. Chapter 15, Graphics and Animation. Chapter 16, Web Development with Flask. Chapter 17, Final Project. Chapter 18, Additional Topics, and Chapter 19, Conclusions. So in today's world, digital literacy have become increasingly important for children's success. As technology continues to shape our lives, learning to code has become a vital skill for kids of all ages. Coding for Kids: Learning to Code with Python is a comprehensive guide that aims to help children learn the basics of programming with Python. This book is designed to provide a hands-on learning experience for kids, making coding fun and engaging, while teaching them valuable skills that will help them in the future. The book starts with an introduction to Python, the programming language used throughout the book. It covers the installation process for Python on different operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Additionally, it introduces popular code editors and development environments that kids can use to write and execute their Python code. By the end of the introduction, kids will have a basic understanding of Python and will be ready to dive into the world of coding. The book covers all the essential concepts of Python programming, including variables, data types, operators, expressions, conditional statements, loops, functions, models, and object-oriented programming. Each chapter is well structured, beginning with an explanation of the concept followed by practical examples and exercises to help kids practice what they have learned. Furthermore, the book's writing style is engaging and easy to understand, making it an excellent resource for kids who are just getting started with coding. One of the significant benefits of this book is that it contains final projects for kids. These projects are designed to help children apply what they have learned throughout the book to create real-world applications. They include developing a basic calculator, building a game of rock, paper, scissors, and creating a weather app. These projects will help kids build confidence in their coding skills while also demonstrating the practical applications of programming. Apart from the fundamental concepts of Python, the book covers other essential topics such as debugging techniques, advanced Python topics, graphics, and animation. The book also includes appendices that covers important topics like Python libraries and functions, common error messages, and resources for further learning. Moreover, the final projects included in this book helps children apply what they have learned and demonstrate the practical applications of coding. This book is an excellent choice for parents or teachers looking for a comprehensive guide to teaching kids the basics of programming with Python. Also, Coding for Kids, Learning to Code with Python is an excellent resource for kids who want to learn how to code in a fun and interactive way. The book covers all the necessary topics to get started with Python programming and includes final projects that will help kids apply what they have learned. So, if you're looking for a way to introduce your child to the world of coding, this book is definitely worth checking out. And for today, the second book is the ChatGPT 2023-2024 Wealth Formula, a step-by-step guide to 49 ways making money with conversational AI, with only $19.95 for paperback and $2.99 for KDP readers. Are you interested in making money with conversational AI? Do you want to learn how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to create a profitable businesses? Are you interested in making money with conversational AI? Do you want to learn how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to create profitable businesses? Then, the ChatGPT 2023-2024 Wealth Formula is the book for you. This step-by-step guide provides you with 94 ways to make money with conversational AI using ChatGPT. But before we dive into the 49 ways, let's take a look at the history and evolution of ChatGPT. Chapter 1. It provides a brief overview of the beginning and evolution of ChatGPT, as well as the key components of this conversational AI tool. Chapter 2 explores the potential of ChatGPT and how it can be used to create value in various industries, from healthcare and education to finance and entertainment. Chapter 3 focuses on ChatGPT in businesses and how it can improve customer experience, increases sales, and automated processes. Chapter 4 dives into ChatGPT in marketing and how it can help businesses to engage with their customers, personalize their offering, and increase conversations. Chapter 5 it discusses ChatGPT in sales and how it can help businesses to qualify leads, provide personalized recommendations, and close deals. Chapter 6 explores ChatGPT in healthcare and how it can be used to improve potential experience and the patient experience, provide medical advice, and assist healthcare professionals. Chapter 7 focuses on ChatGPT in education and how it can be used to enhance language learning, virtual tutoring, and personalized education. Chapter 8 discusses ChatGPT in finance and how it can be used to improve customer services, provide financial advice, and automate financial processes. Chapter 9 explores ChatGPT in entertainment and how it can be used to create virtual characters, interactive stories, and personalized recommendations. Chapter 11 provides practical tips on how to develop a ChatGPT-based business idea, including identifying roles and responsibilities and collaborating with others. Chapter 12 discusses ChatGPT user experience and how to design conversational interactions that meet users' needs and provide a constant and personalized experience. Chapter 13 provides tips on creating content for ChatGPT, including writing effective scripts, designing engaged visuals, and using multimedia. Chapter 14 is the heart of the book, providing you with 94 ways to make money with ChatGPT, including chatbots, virtual assistants, personalized recommendations, and much more. Chapter 15 discusses ChatGPT maintenance and upkeep, including monitoring, updating, and optimizing your ChatGPT solutions. Chapter 16 explores future trends in ChatGPT, including advancements in natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, multi-model interfaces, and privacy and security. Finally, Chapter 17 provides practical tips on how to implement ChatGPT in your businesses, including choosing the right platform, setting goals and KPIs, and measuring your ROI. The ChatGPT 2023-2024 Wealth Formula is a comprehensive guide that provides you with everything you need to know to leverage the power of ChatGPT and create profitable businesses. Order your copy today and start making money with conversational AI. And for the last book for today is titled Getting Started with DevOps, a beginner's guide with only $9.95 for paperback and 99 cents for KDP readers. It is a comprehensive guide that offers an in-depth exploration of the DevOps philosophy and practices. The book is aimed at anyone interested in adopting DevOps practices or looking to gain a better understanding of the principles and benefits of DevOps. The book is organized into 10 chapters, each of which provides valuable insights into the world of DevOps. The book begins with an introduction that lays out the purpose of the book and what readers can expect to gain from reading it. So let's start. Chapter 1 delves into what DevOps is and the key principles that underpin the DevOps philosophy. The chapter also explores the benefits of adopting DevOps practices such as faster time to market, improved collaboration, increased efficiency, continuous delivery and deployment, improved customer experiences, and better alignment with businesses' goals. Chapter 2 discusses what DevOps is necessary and how it can help organizations achieve their goals. The chapter outlines the benefits of DevOps and how it can positively impact an organization. Chapter 3 it explores the tools and technologies associated with DevOps, such as continuous integration and delivery, infrastructure as code, and monitoring and logging. Chapter 4 provides readers with practical advice on how to get started on DevOps, outlining key steps such as setting goals, assessing existing processes, selecting tools and technologies, and creating a DevOps culture. Chapter 5 focuses on the importance of communication and culture in DevOps and outlines best practices for building a DevOps culture. Chapter 6 examines the relationship between Agile and DevOps, two methodologies that are often used together. The chapter explains the principles and benefits of Agile and DevOps and how they complement each other. Chapter 7 addresses the importance of security and compliance in DevOps and outlines best practices for achieving these goals. Chapter 8 it explores the role of DevOps in cloud computing and how DevOps practices can help organizations take advantage of the benefits of the cloud. The chapter also discusses the future of DevOps and cloud computing. Chapter 9 it is focused on measuring DevOps success and explores different methods for measuring success, such as deployment, frequency, lead time, mean time to recovery, change failure rate, and customer satisfaction. Chapter 10 it provides case studies and examples of DevOps in practice, highlighting how organizations such as Amazon, Etsy, Target, Netflix, and others have successfully adopted DevOps practices. The chapter provides valuable insight and lessons learned from these case studies. The book concludes with an index, a summary of the key takeaways, references for further reading, and appendices that provide additional information on topics such as DevOps tools and technologies and how to implement DevOps in practice. So overall, getting started with DevOps, a beginner's guide, is an informative and practical guide that provides a solid foundation for anyone interested in learning about or adopting DevOps practices. The book is well written, organized, and easy to read, making it an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their knowledge on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video on the review of the Week 3 tech books that you must own now. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in technology and developments. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest tech trends and book reviews.